live from Bradley International Airport. Brittany, good morning. What are flights looking like and what's the morale like?
The morale is not great, Alyssa. Good morning to you. We just arrived at the airport not too long ago, and I was speaking to one woman, Carmen Rodriguez. She was supposed to depart yesterday, believe it or not, to Puerto Rico. Now, Frontier, the airline that she's with, kept saying that the flight is delayed instead of fully canceling it. She said that she got a $75 voucher. That wasn't enough to pay for a hotel room, so she has been sleeping here at the airport along with a couple of other people. So unfortunately, the morale isn't great here at Bradley this morning. You can see an empty TSA line. This is usually packed with people. It's one of the busiest times normally at the airport. So we continue to see the implications from that bomb cyclone. We did just get an update from Bradley at 5 a.m. They tell us that 25% of flights are going to be canceled today. Believe it or not, that is significant progress from yesterday when 95% of flights were canceled. Unfortunately, most of those flights that are canceled, the 25%, are in the morning. I've been checking out the flight board here. The arrivals, that's not looking too bad. Only a couple of cancellations. When it comes to the departures, we still do have a couple of planes taking off from the airport, but really, the rest of the board looks like it's all red. A lot of cancellations. So we did speak with Brian Spiros, the spokesperson here at Bradley yesterday. Here was his latest update. Take a listen.
The goal here is really going to be for the airlines to get aircraft in here when they can so that they have planes here to operate flights tomorrow morning. Unfortunately, we are going to see cancellations and delays as we head into tomorrow and even Wednesday. So if anyone is traveling on any of those days, they really should be in touch with their airline to find out the status of their flight.
And that is the key here. Continue checking in with your airlines. As he mentioned, the majority of the flights this morning not taking off from Bradley. But the good news is come this afternoon, we will start to once again see those planes take off from the airport. Live here at Bradley International, I'm Brittany Taylor, News 8.